Hi everyone, it's Joanna Bojarska, the beauty expert, and I am a professional beauty therapist and the founder of Beauty by Joanna. And on this channel, I am sharing with you my beauty tips, advice in your professional and home skincare, as well as presenting you my professional beauty treatments. And at the moment, I am working on a series of YouTube videos, self-care facials at home, where I show you examples of home face treatments for the different skin types. So here we are in the middle of my little series, episode 3, where I will focus on dry skin. And if you have missed 2 previous episodes, don't worry, they will be all uploaded on my YouTube channel, so you can very easily catch up. I have created a series of videos to give you an idea and inspiration of what you can do yourself at home. But if you need any help with designing your at-home facial or choosing your skincare, I am here to help you. So you can always book yourself a consultation with me and we can create your personalized at-home self-care routine. And all the contact details will be listed in the description box below this video. Okay, and now without any further ado, let's start the video. As I have mentioned at the beginning, today I will focus on dry skin. So if your skin feels tight, irritated and tends to get flaky, this video might be right for you. People with dry complexion will usually have problems with their skin's lipid barrier. That's why the main priority here is to rebuild a strong and hydrated skin's lipid barrier. And if you suffer from skin dryness, I would recommend to drink loads of water and maybe consider getting yourself an air humidifier, especially if you spend lots of time in an air-conditioned environment or a very hot temperature. Step 1. Cleanse. Here you definitely want to avoid any harsh cleansers. I would go for a lotion, maybe a very light gel formula cleanser, something that will calm and restart the hydration process. Always take time with your cleansing step, removing all the debris from your skin. Cleansing should take at least 1-2 minutes, if not longer. I will be using here a light creamy cleanser from Aveda. Step 2. Toner. Choose a toner that not only will balance the pH levels, but it will also give your skin hydration. I am spritzing my face with the Aveda Toning Agent Mist, which has rose extract and glycerin, so it will be soothing and hydrating. Step 3. Essence. This will be a hydrating booster for the dry skin, and you will see me using it in a few different stages during this at-home facial. I would highly recommend essences for any skin type, but for the dry complexion especially. Step 4. Exfoliation. You don't want to over-exfoliate your skin, but still you want to remove the dead cell layers. So here I would recommend either a delicate enzyme peeling or a very gentle scrub with spherical bits inside. In this video I am using DermaQuest Algae Polishing Scrub, which uses jojoba esters to gently exfoliate, while the algae extract reduces the inflammation and stem cells provide hydration. I am massaging it gently onto my skin. Step 5. Massage. And when it comes to dry skin, I would highly recommend to do a nice face massage with a rich in nutrients oils. Massage will not only stimulate the muscles, blood flow and help sculpt your face, but it will also feed the skin with a lot of highly restorative ingredients from the oil. I am using here a strawberry seed oil, which is full of antioxidant and fatty acids that will regenerate, hydrate and protect the skin. Step 6. Mask. Here, any deep hydrating and restorative mask will be great. Something like a deep hydration gel mask or a cream mask with ceramides or a sheet mask that has loads of humectants will be the best choice for you. I am using here a sheet mask with collagen, hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Whenever I use a sheet mask, I like to massage it in with the jade roller to press the mask into my skin and give my skin extra massage. I haven't actually rinsed off the oil, I am applying the mask over oil here. After around 20 minutes, I remove the mask and massage in whatever is left on my skin. Step 7. Skincare. As you will probably hear in all of my videos, SPF should be a very important part of everyone's skincare. So remember to use your SPF every day. Today I am doing my weekly facial, so I will spritz my face with the toner, then use the essence, the same I was using at the beginning, and then I will use a deeply hydrating B5 hydrating serum from Dermaquest. Then I will go with a thick layer of my favorite Chulusara wedding mask eye from Aveda. And I will finish off by applying a thick layer of the overnight Chulusara wedding mask. I do this way because this is an evening time for me, but if I would do my facial in the morning, I would use a small amount of the eye mask and then a rich hydrating cream, something like this one from Aveda, and then my SPF on top, of course. Okay, so that will be an example self-care facial at home for the dry skin. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it some thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick the bell so you can be notified when new videos are ready to watch. And we still have 2 episodes to go in this series. And if you have any questions, you can either leave them in the comment section below this video or you can contact me directly. And now enjoy your weekly facials. Thank you very much for watching and I will talk to you again very soon. Bye!